I found comfort surrounded by hands. In this dark, deep abyss, I found comfort in deep waters with such little land. I'll wade through murky, dark sludge, hoping I reach for the sand of the island that is forgiveness. There is no point in living this. Hatred weighs heavy, forgiveness weighs heavier. Forget these things I said or those truths I told. Forget those things I meant or these lies I hold. Forget the good with the bad and the bad with the ugly. Forget these bruises on my body, you told me you loved me. I loved you more, but I never laid hands. I found comfort in your words that I mistook as the sand. Take care.